Picture this. The conversation is flowing and things are going well until suddenly the other person stops responding without reason and vanishes into thin air. You've just been ghosted. Ghosting prospective organizations is never a good thing when it comes to being a job seeker. When you ghost a prospective employer, it can cause a snowball of negative effects in your job search, which we'll get into in this episode of The Job Seeker's Secret Sauce. Hi, I'm Carly with ISGF. We're a full-service recruiting and staffing firm with over 30 years of experience matching exceptional people with America's most prestigious companies. Just because you don't want to work for a company, that doesn't mean that they don't deserve your respect and professionalism on your part. Here are some reasons why you should not ghost a recruiter. The main reason you should never ghost an organization is that you may want to apply for a different position that's better suited for you in the future. You don't want to come off as unprofessional or rude and then come back for round two as if nothing happened. Reapplying might also mean explaining why you ghosted in the past, and that's just awkward. Imagine having to say this: "Dear hiring manager, I know I've been rude and a poor communicator in the past, but I'm really interested in this communications coordinator position and believe I'm very qualified." Pretty cringe, right? Similarly, you don't want to ghost a recruiter for the same reason. Recruiters get new clients and jobs all the time, and they might eventually have another position that you're interested in. Following up with them is critical and the most professional thing that you can do. Another reason you shouldn't ghost a recruiter is because hiring managers and organizations are very well networked, and word of mouth could do you a disservice. Negative word of mouth could get you a bad reputation as a job seeker. If you're unprofessional with one organization, chances are it could hurt your reputation overall for other opportunities. Additionally, if your friend or colleague recommended you for a position and vouched for you, but then you find out that you ghosted the company, they might not send any more opportunities your way. Ultimately, you shouldn't ghost a prospective employer or recruiter because it's simply unprofessional and could ruin your reputation. Even if it feels awkward or uncomfortable, always be honest with the hiring team and take the high road, letting them know that you're no longer interested in an opportunity. If your paths cross again in the future, you'll be in good standing and chances of landing a position won't be hurt. That's all for today, and thanks for joining me for this episode of The Job Seeker's Secret Sauce. As always, be sure to subscribe and follow us on social media to stay up to date on our job seeking and career tips. This is Carly with ISGF Recruiting, and we'll see you next time.